it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the French connection. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Cognac, I have here Hennessy, and Amaretto, I have here Rum. 2 items. Okay, it's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a rocks glass, a jigger, tongs, and a bar spoon. First step, grab your cognac, open the bottle, pour 3/4 of an ounce into the glass. Next, your Amaretto. Open the bottle. Pour 3/4 of an ounce of Amaretto into the glass. Now, grab your tongs, add ice, and the last step is to stir the drink with a bar spoon. And there you go, my friends. The French connection. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.